Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll have a brief discussion about the new cabinet reshuffle and the reason behind the cabinet reshuffle, and we'll also discuss how many stages does this cabinet includes, and we'll have a brief about the cabinet ministers and the ministers of state with independent charge and also the ministers of state. Okay, and not only this, we'll also have a look about the list of the ministers and the ministers who resigned. Okay, and before who still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and let's get into the video. See, as we all know, Narendra Modi was sworn as Prime Minister of India on 26th May 2014, and his first cabinet consisted of 45 members, whereas he elected consecutively for the second term, and his second cabinet consisted of 54 members. And now we have another new cabinet reshuffle. Right now we'll see how many stages does this cabinet includes and the ministers who present in the cabinet. See, at first we have cabinet ministers. We have the union cabinet consisted of cabinet ministers and prime minister. It is the highest decision making body in India. Okay, and they are in charge of specific government ministries, right? So they are responsible for policy matters and issues related to day-to-day operations of government. See, next we have Minister of State with independent charge. See, simply it means he does not have any cabinet minister superior to him and has power to take decisions in the ministry independently, and also he can directly reports to the prime minister as well, and it is an intermediate post between the cabinet minister and the minister of state. Okay, and next we have the minister of state. See, coming to this, minister of state has a cabinet minister above him in particular ministry, and they don't have any independent powers like minister of independent charge, and every minister of state reports to either cabinet minister or independent charge of minister. Okay, see, this independent charge of minister is not called for regular day-to-day discussions but only for the specific matters related to his or her respective departments. Okay, now let's see the list of complete cabinet ministers. As I have said, this is the highest decision making body in India. Till now we have seen the cabinet ministers and their ministries. Okay, now here is the list of ministers of state with independent charge. And here is the list of ministers of state. Have a look. And I have also mentioned the list of ministers who resigned from the previous cabinet. Okay, the 12 members have resigned from the previous cabinet. Okay, this is the complete list of ministers in the new cabinet reshuffle. And I hope you all understood and liked this video. Share the video with your friends and loved ones, and if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Yours Lumas Learning signing off. Thank you so much.